In that last part we discuss abiotic agents and biotic agents. In that we discuss specially on abiotic agents. In that abiotic agents there are pollination by wind and pollination by water. So in this lecture we discuss on biotic agents. There are it includes living agents like as nearly about 80% plants required to help the other living moving creatures. In that biotic agents there are some insects, birds, bats, snails are included. Because of that or with the help of that the pollen grains are transferred to another stigma of the one flower to the another flower. So it is very much important for reproduce natural resources. So we discuss the first, that is pollination by insects. In case of pollination by insect is nothing but another word of that entomophily. Last, in case of wine, that is pollination of wine. That is the name of pollination of wine. We know that is a anemophily. In case of water, we call it as a hydrophily, hypohydrophily, epihydrophily. So, phily. एंटोमोफिली. एंटोमो मीन्स इन्सेक्ट. इन्सेक्टच्या माध्यमातून होणार. सो एंटेमोफिली, pollination by insect. In case of, there are a best example of that is a rose, jasmine. Then in case of, what is the exact adaptations in case of entomophily or adaptations is entomophilous plants. They are large flowers, are showy flowers and brightly colored, having a brightly colored. So insect can be attracted towards that flower. So these flowers are also producing good smell or producing a sweet odor. So and producing nectar glands are there. So because of that insects get attracted. The stigma is due to the presence of a hairy projection, or stigma is with the help of that hairy projection, the and also sticky. So mucilaginous part is on the upper surface is on there. So it is a very much sticky. There is a the pollen grains are spiny and surrounded by a yellow sticky substance called as a pollen kit. आता तुम्हाला जर बघितलं तर तुम्हाला त्याच्या आजूबाजूला असं आत्ता जो आपला कोरोनाचा हा दिसतो ना, तसं त्याचं नेचर दिसून येतं की त्याचं असं हेअरी असतं आणि त्याच्यावरती येलोइश कलरचं ते हेअरी त्याचं स्टिकी सोल्युशन असल्यासारखं आजूबाजूला असलेलं दिसून येतं, लेदरी असा पार्ट. सो म्युसिलेजिनस पार्ट और स्टिकी येलो पार्ट. There is a in case of that entomophilous plants, some plants have a special adaptations for the insect visitors. So because of that there is a cross pollination is also occur in case of entomophilous plants also. In case of there is a lever mechanism, we called as that word lever mechanism or turnpike mechanism in case of salvia plants. In case of in salvia, it is a special lever mechanism in salvia plant. So this is the insect, pollination by insect. Another point of that is pollination by birds. We call it as a ornithophily. Ornithophilus or ornithophily. With help of that, so some there are, in case of ornithophilus, some birds are specially used for this pollination purpose. That bird are having a small neck and long usually having a small size but having a long beaks are for that pollinating purpose. In case of some hummingbirds are there or sunbirds are there, with the help of that birds the pollination can be possible. There are some ornithophilous plants like as the bombax plants, then bottle brush plants, beutia plants are there. These plants are called as ornithophilous plants. What is the exact adaptations of that ornithophilous plants? That flowers are usually the speciality of that biotic agents, the flowers are usually bright in color, having a large and showy, then they having a they secrete nectar, or they secrete a profuse dilute nectar is on there. Pollen grains are also like as entomophilous plants. The pollen grains are also sticky and spiny. Flowers are in case of some ornithophilous plants, flowers are doesn't having fragrance, but a pure sense of smell is, or birds having a pure sense of smell. So with the help of that sense, they can attract on the ornithophilous plants. So it is a pollination by birds. The third point in that is a pollination by bats, or we call as chiropterophily or chiropterophilous plants. Um, Bats can transport pollens over a long distance. In case in one time there are several or several kilometers. Sometimes they crosses a several kilometer distance. So this is nothing but a big pollinating agent. So chiropterophily or chiropterophilous plants. In case of their adaptations, main plant in that is a kadamba tree, or the botanical name of that kadamba tree is Anthocephalus. And another word, baobab tree, or Kigelia tree, or sausage tree. So these some trees are useful in the chiropterophily pollination by bats. What is the exact adaptation in case of pollination by bats? These flowers are dull colored, but the strong smell or strong fragrance is on there. They doesn't having a special color, or flowers are very dull colored, but fragrance is very much strong in case of the chiropterophily. Uh, in case of they secrete abundant nectar. Flowers produce a large edible pollen grains. So because of that, the bats can be attracted on that particular chiropterophilous plant. So these are three main types of biotic agents: by insects, entomophily; by birds, ornithophily; and by bats, that is a chiropterophily. So these are three main biotic agents are included in case of the pollination. In another topic, we discuss the next part of this lecture. Thank you.